Righto, Neil. Come into the 22F, and I'll tell you why I loved it. First of all, 3 bunks. Fit all the kids in, which is mint.
Yep.
We've got a shower and toilet, so don't have to worry about going to the campgrounds ones and cleanliness of all that sort of stuff.
Yep.
Whole fam can sit at the little diner here.
Excellent.
We didn't use the kitchen inside.
Oh, okay.
I was on the Barbie.
Yep.
So nailed it with the Barbie. We're out the front, kids are in the back.
Yeah.
TV.
And you used the shower?
Yeah.
How was it?
My wife was, I think she was on 7 months pregnant when we were in there, so it's a bit of a tight squeeze getting in.
Yeah.
But no, it was mint. It was good peace of mind for me with 2 young or teenage daughter. That she's just there showering and not in the blocks. But yeah, it was good.
So at 42, caravanning's going to be part of your life going forward, do you think?
Yeah, it's actually been the whole way. When I was younger and just started out karting, we had a caravan that we would stay in as well. So life does full circle. But the kids loved it. Yeah. We had a great time. We drove from Gold Coast up to Townsville, stopped all along the way, and had a really mint time. So
importantly, did the fridge keep the beer cold?
Yeah, beer and snacks were definitely kept cold.
Excellent.
The lock, the kid took a while for the kids to work out, so I hid the lollies in there, but they got around it pretty quick. But,
great.
But no, everything was good. Had the closed washing machine in the back. So
fantastic.
It's guys have thought of everything. These things have come so far.
Yeah, they are great.
AC.
Yeah.
Definitely.
You're Gold Coast, so this is going to be getting a hammering.
Yeah, and all the way up the coast. So we went north, so it definitely was used.
Yeah. No, we
heavily.
love the Snowy River Caravans, and we're glad that you're a part of it, and you enjoyed your trip. So there's many more to come, I hope.
And they tow so well now. I remember when we were little, it was like a tennis ball and a bit of string behind the car. Whereas this thing, I didn't even know it was on there. It was so stable. All the way up the coast. We never had a drama. Backing in with the wireless camera on the back was mint.
What a great feature. Yeah.
They just think of everything. So
that's right. And it's really pick up and go straight away from the dealership. Dario's got 2 sites. We've been around for 45 years, and that's why we're part of the Snowy River crew. And we're glad to have you on board.
Excellent. Happy to do so.